say good morning to my Daisy. This is Tangerine. I also have this little rose that I got from Target in the dollar section, so let's hope it works. We're doing a no phone Sunday, which I really love to do. So I figured, hello, my whole place is clean. I just watched you do that on camera. Good girl. This is the book that I'm reading right now. It's just a great reminder to be grateful and to focus on everything right now in the moment. It's really good. I believe that my uncle and my aunt gave me this book. It's good, I love it. I already gave you your treat. Do you want to smell this? Fun fact, Ellie will eat almost anything of mine, but she will not even pay attention to coffee. She doesn't like it. All right, it's 2:30 now. I just got off of a 3-hour phone call with my best friend, and that is a part of lockdown, baby. It felt so nice to talk to my best friend and just be like, hey, what's going on your side of the world? I mean, in, you know, a different state, but oh my gosh, now I'm in my cozies. I got something on my shirt. Lockdown life is really, you know, I'm looking really cute. I actually really don't mind lockdown if I'm honest, but I just hope it doesn't last much longer. Morning, you guys. This is my favorite way to make a juice without pulling out the juicer. I have an entire apple, half of a lemon, and I filled this with spinach, and I'll throw all of this in here with some water, and then it'll make a green juice. So if you also don't have a juicer, this is really easy, simple, it tastes delicious. I just made a little English muffin. I did some jalapeno and lime guacamole on it. I know it probably sounds so weird. With a bunch of chunky onion, tomato, and sea salt. Girl, I'm going to Flavor Town. Ew. I should have been filming this. Also, my pan is all messed up, but this is mashed bananas with oats and cinnamon. Just gonna see if I can turn this into a big bar, and then I wanna cut them up and drizzle them with honey. I saw this on Pinterest just now, so let's try it out. Hey, you guys, I don't have an oven mitt, but I poked a fork in it. That's why there's holes, and the bottom's a little burnt, but we'll just cut that off. Okay, you guys, so it cooled down, and now I'm gonna drizzle some honey on it. I just cut it into little squares. I'm gonna drizzle some honey. I've already tried it, it's delicious. It's like, this is perfect for like a good breakfast bar, just for like a little snack, a little pick-me-up. These are delicious. I will say, I wanna say it took about 40 minutes for me to cook them. I think I had the temperature too low, but these are bomb. How has lockdown been for you guys? I actually filmed some of the things I've been eating, and now I'm filming this video. So hello. Hello, this is what lockdown looks like. I've been making TikToks, getting back on my filming game. I was working with some brands, so I was working on those videos. Now I'm doing some vloggy style. I did a poll over on Instagram asking you guys if you would like more videos like this too. I really love watching chilled out vlogs. Like, I love when Lauren Elizabeth posts just her at-home vlogs, and other like bloggers and people have been doing them as well, and I love those. So did my nails for a video. They look kind of funny, a little longer than I want, but it's fine. So you guys, look how gorgeous this is. This randomly came in the mail from Zoffel. I think I had this on an order when I worked with them like a couple months ago, but it just never came, but it just randomly came in the mail. For something from Zoffel too, like, this looks expensive. So it's all see-through. It has the little spot for your crotch. It buttons in the crotch, which is nice. These little laces on the side. I just think it's so gorgeous. I haven't tried it on yet though, because if it doesn't fit me, you guys, I'm gonna be really sad. Would you like to tell me how lockdown is going for you? Have you learned any new tricks? Been eating treats? Peanut butter? Oh, peanut butter? Do you want some peanut butter? She's so gentle when she grabs it. Go ahead. Go ahead. You guys, this is how the sweatshirt turned out. And then I also did a crop top. If you want to see how to do these, well, you'll have to watch the video that I made for these. But that's something to do if you have nothing else to do right now. Good morning. I have a rash on my eyelid that's actually getting bigger. It kind of hurts today. I can't put anything on it. I look very tired because I am. But we are gonna go to the store today. So I'm gonna try to run over to Target, and I'm hoping that I'll go early enough in the day where they have everything. All right guys, we had a pretty decent Target run. I'll do a very quick grocery haul. A lot of this stuff was on sale, which was nice. Like all the grocery stuff was like pretty much under $1.50, which was really cool. So I got sweet potatoes, asparagus, my favorite coffee creamers, nut pods. I had to get coconut milk because they were out of almond milk, but this will do. This is the one treat thing that I got. I wanted to make some cookies. This was only like $2. These were 68 cents each, which is amazing. So sugar snap peas, tomatoes, lettuce, bananas. I go through these like crazy. This was also on sale. This was normally like 12 and I got it for 6, which is cool. So some nuts, tortillas, hummus, guacamole, lemons. I got some olives, pickles, dish soap, my favorite cleaner. You guys, this is the best. Some bagels and some Dave's Killer Bread, which is amazing. Celery sticks, hair ties, batteries, toothbrush, not exciting. Got a kombucha for later, it's a little treat. More hot sauce. I got some bonza pasta, which is made from chickpeas, so got that. Some crackers. Crackers back here. These are my favorite crackers of all time, by the way. They only had one coffee left, so I just grabbed one. A big thing of coconut oil, because I cook with this. I use it for my body, use it for everything. Peanut butter, body wash, laundry detergent, and I got a new sparkling water. This was like the one other treat thing that I got besides the cookies. And this is coconut pineapple. I'll let you guys know how this goes. Look at this. Some goodies from Low Pop. I'm filming for them. Can't wait, I'm so excited. I just got done filming, yeah, hey, yo. I just got done filming a main channel video, that's what this is too. I just got done filming a laser hair removal video at home. Yeah, that's right, I'm laser hair removing at home. That's a mouthful. But yes, that's like the one productive thing I've done today. I started my period today, TMI, but I am so tired at the beginning of my period, you guys. Like, truly, I feel just exhausted. So I had a pretty slow morning. I still got some work done. I ordered some cream for my eyeball. I have a coffee here and a everything bagel with hummus and jalapeno, lime, avocado, guacamole, green onion, sea salt, and cayenne pepper. Oh yeah. Aftermath of filming 2 style videos. This looks horrendous. Oh my God, hi. Why are you smiling? Hi, happy. Okay, filmed all day, ordered a pizza. Filmed all day, so I ordered a pizza. Yeah, that's jalapenos with pineapple and black olives. Don't judge me. I wanted something sweet and spicy. Also this sauce. Wow. Morning, it's Friday. So I took away Ellie's crate. She loves it just to like go in and nap, but I like never really use it for anything else. She rarely gets in trouble. She's a really good girl, eating a treat right now. So right under here, I just have like the stuff that was in her crate. So this is like the bottom part of the crate, as you can see, like the square thing. And then just a blanket over there, over it, just because I wanted to see if she would still go over there to nap. Look at her. If she continues to do that, we're gonna upgrade her to a big, cozy little area, but I just want it to be cute and not corny, you know what I mean? Like I want it to look, so yeah, but if I create something here, because this is a big, nice little space just for a dog, you know what I mean? So I could just move that and do dog bed and everything just in my little square right there. I haven't fully decided yet. Finally, there's a little sprout. I literally almost gave up on her. I was like, I don't think she's gonna grow anything, but now truly feel like there's a life lesson in this little rose. Just when you think it's time to give up, something's actually really happening. Friday night looks like this: celery juice, watermelon orange, spinach, watermelon and apple. And then I made a lemon shot right after that, so a little bit of the green juice came out, but this is lemon and cayenne. Hell yeah. Making pancakes. Say hi to my vlog. Mom's trying to help me make pancakes. Don't judge my pan. This is the situation. I've made a mess. At first this was biscuits and now it's pancake. Ooh, is this part ready? Or do it still need to wait a little bit longer?
What does it look like underneath?
Oh, brown.
Okay, flip it over.
Okay. Oh! Look! Both of you.
Oh yeah, that looks like a good one. See, that has the crusty edge. That's the best.
But look. Ooh. Making her one last pancake. It's the final pancake. I'm making biscuits. Oh my God, they're literally almost perfect. My rose has another little sprout. You see that little baby? I'm so excited. Monday morning, making some tea. I ran out of coffee, so we're back to tea this week. I'm actually excited about it. I'm adding this vegan collagen for skin. Baby's over there eating her treat. It's a beautiful day. Look at the sun. Ooh.